Comparing nitrile and latex gloves. Key differences for safety and use. It's important to consider their material composition, properties, and intended use. Here's a comparison of the two. Material composition. Nitrile gloves, made from synthetic rubber, nitrile butadiene rubber. They are latex-free. Latex gloves, made from natural rubber latex derived from rubber trees. Allergenicity. Nitrile, hypoallergenic and suitable for individuals with latex allergies or sensitivities. Latex can cause allergic reactions in some individuals due to natural proteins found in latex. Durability and resistance. Nitrile, excellent resistance to punctures and tears. Resistant to oils, greases, and many chemicals, including solvents and acids. Durable in harsh environments. Latex, high elasticity and superior tactile sensitivity. Moderate resistance to punctures, but less resistant to oils and chemicals compared to nitrile. Comfort and fit. Nitrile, generally less stretchy than latex, but offers a snug fit. Advances in nitrile formulations have improved flexibility and comfort. Latex, highly elastic and conforms closely to the hand for better dexterity. Provides a more natural feel, often preferred for tasks requiring precision. Chemical resistance. Nitrile, highly resistant to a wide range of chemicals, including oils, fuels, and certain solvents. Better suited for handling hazardous substances. Latex, limited chemical resistance, primarily effective against water-based substances. Cost. Nitrile, slightly more expensive due to its synthetic nature and superior properties. Latex, generally more affordable, but costs can fluctuate based on availability and demand. Applications. Nitrile, best for medical, laboratory, and industrial settings where exposure to chemicals and punctures is a concern. Common in automotive, cleaning, and food handling industries. Latex, ideal for medical, dental, and tasks requiring precision and a close fit. Less suitable for chemical-heavy or industrial environments. Environmental impact. Nitrile, synthetic and less biodegradable, but some eco-friendly options are emerging. Latex, biodegradable and derived from renewable sources, making it a more environmentally friendly option. Summary. Choose nitrile gloves if you need durability, chemical resistance, and protection against latex allergies. Choose latex gloves if you prioritize comfort, tactile sensitivity, and work primarily with water-based materials. For safety in environments with chemicals, puncture risks, or potential allergens, nitrile gloves are typically the better choice. For precision tasks with minimal chemical exposure, latex gloves may be more suitable. Contact us for all your PPE needs.